Number 4 is the official Snapmaker 3D printer. The official Snapmaker 3D printer is a fantastic choice for fashion enthusiasts and designers looking to bring their clothing ideas to life. Its innovative features and cutting-edge technology make it the ultimate tool for creating stunning and unique garments. The Snapmaker J1s, with its state-of-the-art vibration compensation technology, ensures smooth and stable printing, guaranteeing flawless designs with sharp corners and minimal defects. No more worries about wobbly or deformed prints. What sets the Snapmaker IDEX 3D printer apart is its infinite possibilities for dual material printing. Say goodbye to waste and contamination. Copy mode and mirror mode make batch printing a breeze, and you can even stop one print without affecting the other. It's all about flexibility and efficiency. For the fashion-forward creators, the Snapmaker J1s is a dream come true. With its high-temperature capabilities, anti-clogging measures, and filament sensor, you can experiment with a wide range of materials, pushing the boundaries of fashion design. The quick and easy calibration ensures precise printing, saving you valuable time. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it.